thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm doing a spring clothing haul. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten a fair amount of clothes all at once in a while, so I am so excited to have all these clothes in my life. This isn't only going to be a clothing haul, but I'm also going to be trying on the items for you guys. So before we get on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy clothing hauls or hauls in general. And if you'd like to know what I bought, then please just keep watching. So first of all, to mention, I got all of these clothes at Winners. I believe I mentioned this in my last video, but just in case you didn't watch that, if you don't know what Winners is, it's basically just like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls, which they have in the States. We also have Marshalls here in Canada, but Winners is one of the main ones, but they are basically like the same thing. It's a bunch of on-trend and cute things, except for it's a much more affordable price point. So the first thing I got is actually a men's item, and it's a men's t-shirt. I was actually helping my husband find t-shirts for himself, and I came across this one and I was like, there's no way I cannot have this in my life. It's a huge sparkly skull, and if you know me, I have an obsession with skulls. I don't know why, but every time I see something with a skull on it, I have to have it. So naturally I had to have this. So it is a forest green color. It's more of a fall-like color, but like I said, I just had to have it. Sparkle embroiderment, I believe, is a camo print, which is super cool. So this is a men's t-shirt, size large, and it has 5% spandex in it, which I can totally feel. I feel like it has more than that, but it's very stretchy and I think it'll be cute just as a t-shirt because it's super short, so it's not humongous on me. I feel like it'll work just fine as a t-shirt or a t-shirt dress. And this one was $16.99. Another thing I just realized, I only got tops and bodysuits, and then obviously my accessories. I'm so sorry, I can never find pants that fit me for the life of me, but I can always find tops because that's a really easy one. So the next item, I had to have this because it just screams spring to me. It's all in button right now, but you'll see it in the try on, and it just has these flowy 3/4 length arms to them, some button detail, and then it also comes with a little extra button here, and then it ties at the bottom. So I got this one in a size small. They were sold out of the extra small, so it's a tiny bit big around my waist. It's supposed to be a flowy shirt anyways, so it doesn't look that bad, and the material kind of helps it, but with the look, even though it is just a tiny bit too big for me. Next, I got quite a few bodysuits. So the first one I'm actually wearing, it is this orange, beige, black snake print one. It is super cool, and it is a very, very stretchy material, and it's extremely soft. So I got this one in an extra small. This material is so stretchy. It does bunch up when I put pants or shorts over it because there's just so much material there. But other than that, I think it's really comfy. I think it'll be perfect for spring. It's not too thin of a material, so it'll still keep you slightly warm. And then this one was $14.99. I forgot to mention the price of the top I was just talking about, but this one was $24.99, and it was the most expensive item I got. Moving on with bodysuits, I got two of the same one, but in different colors. So I actually went back another time to get the rest of the items. The first time I went, I got this bodysuit, and then I got the men's t-shirt, and then I went back and stocked up on some more clothes. This is the first bodysuit I got. It has these elastic bands, which are the sleeve part. I really like that detail because I think it'll go perfect for spring because it has that same material as the previous bodysuit I was talking about. But then once we get into summer, since it has these super thin straps, it won't keep you extremely hot. And this is the cutest little striped detail ever. I have been looking for something striped and colored like this since last year, and I finally found it. I actually want to find some pants that look like this too, but I'm happy that I started with the bodysuit. I got this bodysuit in an extra small as well, and this was $14.99. All these clothes, by the way, except for the men's t-shirt, I bought in the junior section, because I find the junior section to not only fit me, but have more of my style rather than the women's section. The next color I got was hot pink. This color is so vibrant. I love it. It is a neon, and neon is super in right now, so I had to grab something neon, of course. I really want a lime green neon item of clothing, but I didn't see any. I got this one, and yeah, this is just the exact same bodysuit. It's just in the hot pink. Also, these have a layer on the inside where the boobs go. It also just creates a little bit more support. The next item has to be probably my favorite one. In fact, maybe the last one I'm going to talk about, but this is a sneak print little cropped long sleeve. It's so cute. It has these ruffle details on the bottom of the shirt and on the ends of the sleeves. It makes it so cute, and I love the colors of this. This one can be perfect for the daytime, but also if you want to go out in the evening, it gives you that extra warmth because it does have the sleeves to it. And I love long sleeve tops, but I can never really find any that fit me properly. They usually just end up being a little bit too baggy on my arms, and I hate it. Unless it's a sweater, I hate when I have baggy arms. I like them to be tight to my arm, and this one is. So I got this one in a size small because it was the only one left actually. I found this one in the clearance section and it was only $11. That is so cheap for a shirt. This is basically like Value Village pricing, although I do think Value Village overprices their things for a secondhand store. Next I have this cropped mustard yellow button-up t-shirt. This one I got for just to be a super casual shirt. It's a little bit see-through and it's very slouchy, and I got this one in a size small. I wish that they had it left in an extra small because then I feel it would just be a little bit tighter to my body, but on the other hand, it's just a really casual t-shirt anyways. I feel like the size difference doesn't really matter. It doesn't make a huge difference, and for the price, it's a pretty good casual t-shirt. This one was only $9.99. I just picture wearing this t-shirt to little spring and summer markets. I think so cute. Maybe some cuffed ripped jeans. I think this would be perfect with it. This is the last piece of clothing that I have. And this one actually probably has to be my favorite besides the long sleeve sneak print because it makes my boobies look awesome. This is a t-shirt and it's not really cropped. It's just the tiniest bit. It's not a full length shirt. It has this zipper detail which makes you look so defined. I love this detail to it. And then you can just pick and choose where you want the zipper to go if you're feeling frisky. Here it goes. If you're not, then you can just zip it right up. Or you can meet right in the middle, which is where I usually like to go. Okay, enough about the zipper. It also has these cute details just like the snake print shirt had. Maybe that's why I also like it so much. I just think this little sleeve ruffle detail in the bottom makes it so cute and just adds a little bit of character. I also like the way the shoulders sit on this. Usually when I buy shirts that have shoulders like this, it tends to slip off and not stay, but this one stays perfectly fine. And then it also has the pops of neon pink within it, which looks really good on black. I also got this shirt in an extra small, and I ripped the tag off this one because I've already been wearing it, but I'm pretty sure it was $12.99 if I can remember correctly. Then the last two items are accessories that I got at Hudson's Bay. So these are Guess earrings. I've been wanting a pair of new silver hoops. I have one from Ardeen, but they're just so large that I don't really enjoy wearing them out, kind of just for pictures for Instagram. But I wanted a pair that I could wear out and it would be kind of comfortable to wear as well. So I found these. I think they're super cute. These were $11. And then next, these are, I can't remember the brand, I think Design something. They're little hearts. They're so freaking cute, and these were only $4.99, and they're little gold hearts. They're very heavy, so they kind of drag down your ear a little bit, which is annoying. I hate when earrings do that, but the fact that they're so cute, I just can't get over it. Yeah, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really think of it as preparing to film the video, but then when I did think about it, I realized I only had tops to share, which isn't a huge variety, and I only had a couple of accessories. So next time I do a clothing haul, I'll try and make sure that I add a little bit more variety for you guys in it, but hopefully you enjoyed this anyways. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!